Another day, another video. Gonna update my garden. Here's my beans. A lot of beans. A lot of beans. Okay. Yan po, beans and my pepper. Ayan. Oh my gosh, sarap po. Ayan, oh my bell pepper. Okay, ay. It's really hot po. It's really hot. This is so yummy. Yummy. Good. Because it's too hot. Look at that. What happened? I want to pick up one pepper. Oh boy. Ayan po. Oh boy. Someone eat my beans. Yan po, may pepper. Different variety of tomatoes. Yan po, eggplant. Tomatoes. Yan po. Yan po. More eggplant. More peppers. Green pepper. Bell pepper. I have bell pepper here. Bitter melon. Yan po. Good. Ay. Yan po. Oh my, a lot of bitter melon. Yan po ang aking bitter melon. Ano po? More beans. Thank you po. Yan po ang beans. Uy. Ayan po yun. Bell pepper ko po. My bell pepper. A lot. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. Bye for now.